If you have a ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude subscription, you're paying all these monthly fees, this video is for you. I found this AI tool that for only $8 a month aggregates all these models into one tool. So instead of paying all the different providers, you're able to just pay $8 a month and use all of them all in one place. So let me show you guys this tool. I'm gonna review it and tell you guys my thoughts on it. So let's get straight into the tool. So this is the site right here. It's called i10X.ai, and this is for kind of beginners with AI. If you don't want to have to go to all these different websites for each different task, this is the perfect website for you because you're able to use all the different AIs, LLMs, video generation models, and image models all in one spot. You only have to pay one fee and you're able to use it all. And it's much cheaper to just pay on this website rather than going to all the other sites, signing up and paying fees on all of them. So as you can see right here, you can use AI chat, you can do images and video, as well as summarize and analyze documents. A big selling point of this website is that they cut software costs. Instead of having 10 different subscriptions, you can just have this one subscription for a fraction of the cost, and you're able to use all these other tools in one spot. Alright, so when we're in the dashboard right here, you see all the options we have. We have AI chat, which is basically just the normal chatting with the LLM interface, but the only difference is on this website, you're able to use GPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Claude, and Llama all in one place. So instead of having to change websites and pay a subscription fee on each website going one by one, you can just change it right here. So for example, if I want to use Grok, I just click on Grok and I can type anything straight to Grok. So for example, if I write "how far is the moon," I can just chat to it like I chat to Grok on the actual website. And as you can see, it answers in the regular chatbot just like that. So what's cool now is I can just change the model over here to, for example, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and I could write, "create me a short poem about the moon." And look at that. Look how fast it created that poem for me. Silver sentinel in night's embrace, a pearl suspended in the void, your gentle glow caresses earth, ancient rhythms, tides deployed. Either way, I'm not a big poem guy, but I just wanted to show you guys that example. Another really cool thing you can do on this website that I love about this particular service is the chat arena. So if you don't just want to go one by one and you want to see the answer of two LLMs at the same time to compare them, you can do it right here. So for example, if I pick on the left side ChatGPT 5, and then on the right side, I want to, for example, use Claude 4.5 Sonnet, then over here, I can write any message and compare the two answers. So for example, if I just wrote "create me a marketing email for my AI service that aggregates all LLMs in one place," and I click send, as you can see, both sides are running right now. GPT-5 is obviously running much quicker, but we'll see the quality of the email so we can compare both. So just like that, you can compare both options, read through it, and make your decision on which one to use. I actually really like this feature because I can compare LLMs for basically any task that I'm working on. Super useful feature right here. So I've actually read both the emails and I like the Claude Sonnet much better. So you guys can actually test out all the LLMs to see which one you like the best. Here we have the AI image next. So here you can create any kind of AI image using any of these models, which is super cool. So for example, if we want to create an image using Nano banana, we can write a quick prompt. So if I write "create me an infographic on stats about the moon," you can also put a reference image and then you can change the output format right here. For this example, I'm not going to put an image, but you can do that. So as you guys can see right here, I generated an image and it looks really cool and really professional. Then here we have the deep research. So this is actually to use Perplexity Sonar Pro. So here you can ask anything and it will create a deep research on that topic. And it will even look through all the latest news and data on the internet so that you can figure out anything with extreme precision. For example, I'ma write how to create a profitable cold email campaign. Let's send that off and see what it gives us. So look at that, extremely quick answer. We got step by step what you got to do and how to do it with even an example. So this is a really cool one to check out as well. Here we have the PDF and docs. So if you do want to bring in any PDFs and then it analyzes them and you can ask questions right here in the message. We also have AI video. This is super cool. You can use Kling, you can use Google VO2, Google VO3, Sora 2, all the newest, coolest models, which is really amazing. You can just write a prompt, a negative prompt as well, an aspect ratio, and you can even use a start image. All right, so let's try OpenAI Sora 2 right here. And what's cool now is we can go into the AI chat and we can use GPT-5 here and I'll ask it to create me a prompt that I can use in the same website to create a video. So I'm just gonna write create me a Sora 2 prompt for a cool video and I'm gonna click enter. Look how quickly I got that prompt. All right, and now it finished writing it. So I'm just gonna take this entire prompt right here and I'm gonna go back into the AI video and we're gonna have to repick Sora 2. So I'm just gonna pick it right here, put the prompt in there, make it 12 seconds. I'm not gonna put a reference image, but you guys can do that. So I'm just gonna click generate video just like that, and I'm gonna let it run. They also have an agent builder here where you can create an agent, view agents, create chatbot, and view chatbots. So to create an agent, you can pick a LLM, you can pick a category, you can name your agent, give it a description, and a custom prompt. And lastly, we have SEO content here, and this is to create specific SEO content, also super useful and super cool. Not a lot of other websites have this feature, so I really appreciate that i10X added this feature into their website. All right, so the Sora video has been generated. Let's check it out. Amazing. Just like that, a beautiful video, easily created with a simple prompt, all in one spot. So I hope you guys find this tool useful. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna be using this tool, because I'm definitely gonna be using it a lot. This tool is especially useful if you are a beginner, but if you are trying to get more advanced in AI, make sure to go in the description and join my school, because I do have resources and videos there teaching you guys a little more advanced things in the AI realm, as well as if you're a business owner and you want to integrate some sort of AI into your business, make sure to book a call with me and we can chat about that. Also, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. That's gonna help my channel grow and allow more people to see these amazing resources that I'm sharing with you guys. Also, it's gonna put a massive smile on my face, so please do that. Either way, that's all for today. See you guys in the next one. Peace!